Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check whether you're eligible for an official Discord Nitro trial. So first, open the official Discord app or website and sign into your account. Now go to your account settings and look for Nitro section. If Discord is offering your account an eligible trial, then you may see a trial or promotional offer there. Then open the offer and carefully read the terms before accepting it. Some trials may require a valid payment method and can automatically renew into a paid subscription after the trial ends. If you don't want to be charged, then check the cancellation terms and set a reminder to cancel before the trial expires. Trial eligibility can vary by account, religion, and promotions. So if you don't see a trial, don't use websites claiming to generate free Nitro codes, and avoid bona fide Discord apps and suspicious links asking for your login information. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.